This is what the Goodman sounds like from the back door. You know what, let's go see how frozen it is. Let me get my shoes on. It just a couple minutes ago, like just a few minutes ago, got it up to 69 degrees. It's set to 72. It actually got it from... Oh, perfect! Didn't I come out at the right freaking time? See if it steams. Hope this one lasts longer than a few minutes. It's definitely frozen. I came out at the right time. Anyway, what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah. When it was set to 66 and I set it to 70, and it only took it a little while to get up to 68. But then I think it might be because I had the back door open slightly that it was taking a while to get it up to 69. Getting cooler. Is it steaming? I honestly can't tell if it's steaming or not. Oh yeah, it's steaming. It's steaming. Got a drip of water on my camera. It's really... Whoa! And you can still see the steam over there. Did not last very long, but that was a steam show. .43 degrees. Looks like it needs to update. It says it's still cloudy, but it's obviously raining right now. So it's like in the low 40s with rain and high humidity. Alright. That was a brief steam show from the 2004 Goodman 10 SEER 3.5 ton heat pump at my grandmother's house. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.